everyone! I've actually started bullet journaling consistently now, and for April I decided to do a bread-themed bullet journal because I was really craving carbs when I decided to do it. For March, I did a plant one because I became a plant mom, and here's just a little clip of it. For April, I started off with a What I'm Thankful page because I just needed an excuse to doodle. And then on the next page, I began to make my weekly spread. If any of you have watched my previous bullet journaling videos, you already know that I don't really do monthly cover pages because I find them unnecessary for me. So I just jump right in. And as you can see, I didn't love it that much, so I restarted. I decided to just take construction paper and write April and the dates on it in marker and pen with some shadows. Then I glued it down. I wanted to do a more structured layout for this week, so I decided to write out the day of the week and then draw a baked item at the end to create a boxed area.
Start your computations.
Actually, these lines kind of reminded me of coffee stains for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but they just fit the theme and the vibe really well, so I went with it. And then finally, I colored in the various spreads that I do. I'm not an artist, so I don't really have that many colored pencils, but I made the best with what I had, and honestly, the drawing part was not too difficult either. I just went online and googled bread clip art and also bread cartoons and then just went from there. I'm actually so happy with how it turned out because I can't do art. I really recommend doing this if you're not very good at drawing like I am and want to be a little bit more extra with your journal. I hope you guys really like this video. I've never seen a bread bullet journal before, so if you do one, that'd be really cool. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Start your computations.